Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add custom cosmetics without replacing inside of your GoTo copy in higher versions. So yeah, what you want to do is you want to jump in Discord and you want to scroll down and see find packages. Then you should find something called, well I haven't added yet, but there should be something called GT Creator thing right there, GT Creator badge right there, so you want to download that. Or click on it and then click install. So now I'm actually already in my project. If you guys can see, export project is which is the Halloween 2023 credits to Beetle. I will be making a tutorial on Halloween 2023 on how to like make a copy of Halloween 2023. But what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go over to your plaything. I actually have not set up my plaything yet, so I'm gonna quickly go ahead and set up my plaything right now. Alright, I just finished up setting my servers. Now, all you want to do is go over to your playfab. Then you're going to go to economy, catalog legacy, DLC, new item, do I'm just gonna do AAA. You can copy this and paste it there. You can literally do anything you want. You could do like your game name or whatever. You can do Halloween period. You don't need to do a period, but Gorilla Tag just like to keep it organized. Then you can do currency. I'm gonna do SR if you're making a currency. Then you want to do SR, and then you want to do how much you want it to cost. I'm gonna do mine to 1,500. Because why not? All right. Now we need to figure out what freaking cosmetic do you want to add to our gorilla. Um. So yeah, I'm gonna do the GT Creator badge. Um, the one I showed you from the beginning of the tutorial. I showed you guys to go to my Discord, and then there will be a package called GT Creator Badge that you want to install. But I'm gonna be doing the finger painter though. So you just want to drag this out. If it has no textures, let me know. But it should have textures. If it doesn't, then you just want to click on don't tier one, don't mind, and then you want to at least drag the texture on to it, or you want to drag it out like that. But it's up to you. And you want to right click on it, preset unpack completely. Change the name to whatever you did for your playfab ID. So like whatever you did for here, you want to put your name. So mine just AAAA. So I'm gonna do AAAA. And then you want to perfectly put it on your gorilla. So yeah, this can be literally any single badge you want yours to be. It doesn't have to be a finger painter. It's just I want to add the finger painter since why not? You know, for holdables, I have no idea if holdables actually work, but I know there might be a tutorial on that. If you guys want me to make a tutorial on that, let me know and I will make a tutorial for that. That should be good, right? No, like that. Yeah. What you want to do is you want to drag this inside player objects, local VR rig, local grill player, rig body, and then all cosmetics body. You want to drag the finger painter in there. Now that it's on the gorilla, we need to right click copy it and we need to actually make it so it's like like together with the gorilla so you can actually when you put it on it'll be on your gorilla. To do this, you want to go to a local gorilla player, cosmetics, and you want to drag the finger painter inside cosmetics. Just like this. Now if you scroll all the way down, you should have the finger painter right there. And now you could just copy it and turn it off. Now you want to look up your Gorilla Player Actual or Gorilla Player Network, whatever you have. If it's off, then you want to just click the turn on button and it should go on. Yeah. Alright, now we want to actually go over to body, O Cosmetics body, and then you want to right click, paste it on. It should be on your gorilla, but you can adjust it if you guys want to. Yeah. And you want to click on Gorilla Player Network, and you want to scroll down, and you want to drag the cosmetic inside cosmetics, just like that. Now, if you scroll down, it should be in your cosmetics, just like that. Or you can click the plus and add it on there. I'm not going to do that because I already added mine on there. Now just turn it off and click save. Now we need to look up cosmetics controller, and we need to go to all cosmetics. We need to scroll down, and you will see a plus right here. You want to click plus, and then just yeah, you click the plus. I don't know what happened. And then you want to do item name as your as the item ID you did for here, and then badge whatever item criteria you did. So I just did badge, and then just make this none, or you can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna do early access because actually no, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna do admin badge actually, and then display name you want to do the same thing you did up here, and then overall display name delete that, and then you can do can try on if you want to. So I'm gonna do can try on, and then cost is how much you put for it. If you made a Bible, mine is 1,500. For the image, I'm actually going to do something a little more different, and I'm going to be doing the, what image should I be doing? I'll just do the early access, I guess, because why not? Then you want to look up cosmetics controller. I don't know if this is the one with the script in there, but, oh, not, sorry, guys, I'm so sorry, guys. You don't want to look up cosmetics controller inside of your assets. You want to look up Gorilla Game Manager. Like this, and then you want to double click on there. Okay, so this one does not have the actual script for it, but we don't need to worry about that because it will still work. So now we're gonna make it buyable. So what you want to do is you want to go over to your Gorilla, or not Gorilla, so you want to go over to like the head models, and you want to find a perfect area where you want it to be buyable. I'm going to make mine maybe the top hat. Actually, no, I'm gonna make mine this hat right here. So what you're going to do is you want to drag out your um your badge. So creator badges tier 1, and you want to drag it out. You don't really need to change the name of this, but I'm just gonna unpack it and I'm just gonna change the name of it. Why not? Just to make it a little bit more organized. And then what you want to do is you want to click on your button, and then you should find something called basic beanie or whatever you did right up here. And then you want to scroll down, and this cosmetic item, you want to drop down the arrow, and then item name, you want to do your item ID you did for here, and then display name, do the same thing, and then this cosmetic name, do the same thing. I'm gonna do mine can try on, and then cost, I'm gonna do 1,500, exactly what I did for right here. And then this one you want to do what you did for the cosmetic controller, so mine is just early access, and then mine is a badge. Now if we click play, gives us a minute to load. And we go to scene, and then we gotta turn on city because city turns off. And then we click on this button. If your thing is off, I might be able to make a tutorial. Just you can turn it on like that if you want to, but yeah. And then you want to turn on, or you want to click task press right there. It should go red. If it doesn't, that means you have something wrong with your right here, your cosmetic state. So make sure you have everything exactly that I have, or make sure it's right. And then you should see the image up there. You want to click the button, test press. If it says this, that means you have no shine rocks. So what you want to do is, give me 1 second. I'm gonna quickly fix this real quick. Alright, my servers are a little bit broken, but I might be able to fix it another day. But what you're going to do is you are going to want to buy the cosmetic by going over here and clicking on this, and then click test press, and then you're going to want to buy your cosmetic just like this. It will not say this to you, just my servers are being a little bit weird, but once you buy it, it will be not on your head model, but you can go to badges, test press, and then you should be able to put it on. I'm gonna quickly try to get my servers to be fixed, and then I can showcase it. So give me one quick second. Alright guys, I kind of just used my other playfab in Photon for this tutorial, but as you see, now I will have 4,500. Um, to give yourself some shine rocks, what you're gonna do is you want to click on your whatever your thing, and go to players, and you want to search for your player. My player is right here. I think this is my player. I have no idea. But I'm just gonna give me. I don't even know if it's my player, but whatever. So you want to go over to the head model. I don't know if I actually made it work on my playfab, but I will make it work though. Okay, then you should see A. Press. Click yes. And see, I did not make it work on my playfab, so I'm gonna quickly go over to my playfab, and I'm gonna go over to economy, catalog, legacy, DLC, new item, and I'm gonna make this work. And then SR be 1,500. And then you want to click your play button, and it should work. Pretty sure. Hardly doubt it, but if it doesn't, then I don't know. But yeah. And then you want to go to scene, and you want to turn on stage. So now you want to actually go over to the demo, and then you want to click this button, and then you want to click test press. And then you want to go here, click on early access, that button, and then you want to click this button, and this button right here, and then should get your item. And as you can see, it won't be on your head models like if you go to badges, but it will be on your player just like that. It won't be on any of the head models because we have to make it on the head models. So click on one of the hats and go to badges or turn off everything and go to badges, turn off everything in badges, and then you want to right click paste as child. And then I'm not gonna make mine any like perfect or anything because it's just a tutorial. So I'm just gonna make mine just like that. I mean, really basic. And then you want to right click, copy it, and then go to head on left, and then put it inside cosmetics. And then you could just turn on everything. And when you copied it, what you're gonna do is want to go to the next head model, go to badges, right click, paste as child, and do the same thing and same thing over and over again for these four, and then these four, and then this one. So I'm only gonna be doing these four because yeah, just to show you guys that it actually works. You want to paste as child. Alright, and then you want to do is once you click the play button until it loads. And then you want to go to scene. Now, if you go to badges, it will be on the head model as you guys can see, and it will be up there as well. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today's GT Creator Badge. You know how to add custom portables in your higher versions. Thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe. And yeah, sorry this was like a long video because I had to fix everything. But yeah, bye guys.